Hi, this is Edwin. Welcome to 3145 Chadney Drive in the beautiful Glendale Emerald Isle neighborhood. After 22 years of joy and happiness, the owner decided to put this property on the market and move on. Property offers 3-bedroom, 2-bath with beautiful open floor concept, updated kitchen and bathroom, and gorgeous backyard. This property will hit on the market this week, and you have opportunity to come see this gorgeous property this coming Sunday from 1 to 4. See you guys all.